This is a video of our resort view club level room at the Grand Californian. My husband always says whenever he sees these videos that people just need to make it short and sweet and get it done with. So that's all we're gonna do today. But you've got this awesome set of hooks when you first come in. You've got this great closet in here, and look at this closet space. My girls are obsessed with the fact that there are robes and slippers in here, but it's got a ton of storage space for you and your family, which is lovely. Then you come in and we've got our coffee station with our little bar over here. We've already stopped at the club level, and I'll talk about this later, for like our to-go drinks. You've got a great office space full of our stuff already. This beautiful room with these gorgeous queen beds, and I am obsessed with all of the California orange bird decor, and my girls already found Chippendale over in the corners up here. But we've got two amazing queen beds in here, and then this sofa bed that will turn down into a pull down bed. It's got the handle on the top so you pull it down at night. So you've got a single bed, so plenty of room for 5. We've got these beautiful prints on the wall. And then obviously our welcome message, and then all these drawers, which my girls have already filled with their stuff because we like to live in drawers instead of out of bags when we're here. And speaking of the bags, they go under the bed. There's so much under the bed storage space, we don't even have to worry about it. And then you've got your little mini fridge over in here. And then I bet you if we open this, yep, you're going to find all your coffee and tea supplies. And then over in the bathroom, we've got double sinks, which is great for our family. Plenty of storage space below. And look at this. This might be my favorite thing. It's this tiny little step stool so my youngest can reach the top, which I'm fully obsessed with. But I love all of the little touches from the Grand Californian. They've got everything we could need here. And then this bathroom, my girls were so excited because it has a rainfall shower. It has a shower head that can come down. We've got, of course, the wonderful Disney products already attached to the wall for the Grand Californian. A seat, which they thought were super cool. My daughter already has her net and gloves in here, if you know, you know. And plenty of space. And again, this cute Chippendale print here. So again, this room has so much space for the 5 of us. We are gonna love the next few days here, and I can't wait to take you on our adventures around Disneyland for the next few days.